Hello, this is Alexis Roan here, and I've just completed my one set of 10 reps of squatting. My evaluation for pre-foam rolling, I would say with failure to stretch before performing, my squats felt a little more restricted. There was some discomfort in my abdomen area as well as my calves. It was a struggle. I'm not quite sure if that means I need to be in the gym a little bit more, but I'm about to foam roll and I will come back with my second evaluation of my reps. So I just completed doing my second set of 10 reps of squats after completing a technically full body foam rolling. The most trouble I've noticed while foam rolling was my TFL, my tension fascial latae muscle, but I strongly believe it's because my greater trochanter was in the way. I also had trouble isolating my piriformis. It could be due to the length of my foam roller, which kind of prevented me to find that comfort in performing that type of technique. I also had some complications with my latissimus dorsi as well as the thoracic spine. I believe that my spinous process was the cause of my discomfort. However, after completing my squats, it was a lot easier than before foam rolling. And I was able to get through my set a lot quicker. So after performing my squats, the most difference that I felt was in my calves, allowed me to squat a lot easier, as well as my abdomen. It really didn't hurt, or I didn't notice any discomfort. So yeah, not bad.